Innovation doesn't always need to shout. Sometimes it simply shines, quietly, confidently, and unmistakably. Meet the CMF by Nothing Watch 3 Pro, now in a stunning new light green edition, where design meets performance in perfect balance. This new colorway redefines subtle sophistication. A light green metal bezel and strap flow seamlessly into a deeper green casing, creating a tone-on-tone finish that feels both natural and futuristic. It's not just a watch, it's a statement for those who move with purpose and style. Joining the dark gray, light gray, and orange models, this fourth edition keeps the same bold simplicity that defines CMF by Nothing for the same $99 price point. On your wrist, the Watch 3 Pro stands out with its 1.43-inch AMOLED display, 466 pixel resolution, and an ultra-smooth 60 frame per second refresh rate. With up to 650 nits of brightness, it remains vivid even under sunlight. And with a 91% screen-to-body ratio, every glance feels immersive. Encased in precision-milled metal and paired with a soft silicone strap, comfort meets craftsmanship in every detail. But this watch isn't just about looks, it's about living smarter. Track your heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, and steps in real time. With over 130 sports modes, from running to cycling to yoga, the CMF by Nothing Watch 3 Pro keeps up with every move you make. Its built-in GPS maps your routes with precision, so every step and stride is measured with confidence. Stay connected without reaching for your phone. With Bluetooth calling, smart notifications, and voice assistant support, control your world right from your wrist. Switch tracks, take calls, or check updates seamlessly. And when you need a moment of calm, breath training, and a handy flashlight mode are just a tap away. Powering it all is a battery that goes the distance, up to 13 days on a single charge, or 17 hours with continuous GPS tracking. Because a watch this capable should never slow you down. Minimalist, intelligent, effortlessly stylish. The CMF by Nothing Watch 3 Pro Light Green Edition. Simple, never looked this smart.